So back at it again. This is for October the 27th, Friday, the end of the week. And we start off with NASDAQ on the right side. Today was a really choppy day. It was a really tough day. So there were a lot of fake outs, there were a lot of traps. And so I had to be super careful with this one. And, you will kind of see some of the trades were not allowed to play out fully because it was just really all over the place for a little bit, especially between 9:30 and 10:45. But we start off with this one. Again, this is one of my entries that usually works out, but as you can see, it's going in the opposite direction, and then it comes right back. But I had to come out with a small gain because it just wasn't working the way it was supposed to. And so take a look. So on my second trade, this was going in on Dow on the bottom left corner. Again, just like the first trade, it was really moving kind of a bit weird, so I had to be super careful. And again, I came out with a small profit, and it again didn't quite work out the way it was supposed to, but take a look. And so the third trade on Dow, this was one that worked out again at the bottom left corner, and I was able to get my full 20 points on it. And so this one worked out quite well, so take a look and enjoy. So this was the next trade. I think it was the best trade of the day for me. It was on the bottom left corner again with Dow. Got in at what I thought was a pretty good place for an entry point. This was a little outside of my strategy because the entry point wasn't at a place where everything aligned, but it happened at a place that usually has a good short position. And so I got in, and I got again the best trade I would say that I had for the day. So watch and enjoy. So this was my final trade for the day. Again, this was NASDAQ on the right side. I caught a double bottom right there, and I thought it was going to run to my TP, but unfortunately it didn't. It reversed, and it hit my stop loss at a slight profit. But it was a good trade, and usually it does run quite a bit, but this time it didn't. It happens in trading. But at the end of all of this, I ended up with still a lost day. But overall, it was a pretty good day because I got really good entries. It's just that my sizing was a lot smaller, so I couldn't overcome all my losses because I had to be careful with this particular PA account on Apex. It was generally a good day, and it's just a matter of learning what I'm going to do and just really managing my risk and managing my overall drawdown so that I don't blow the account. And so again, this is my training, and this just helps me to get better and better in my psychology. So overall, a great day, even though it was a lost day, and we keep it moving. Enjoy.